Hello, grade 10th student. Today we are going to discuss exercise 4.3 of quadratic equation NCERT book. So in NCERT book, this exercise is based on the method of completing the square and quadratic formula. So here in the first question we notice, here it is given to you find the roots of the following quadratic equation if they exist by the method of completing the square. So if you notice here exercise 4.3, question number first part it is given 2x square minus 7x plus 3 equal to 0, and this question we have to solve by the method of completing the square. तो देखो बहुत ही सिंपल मेथड होता है, वी कैन इजीली फाइंड द रूट. हाउ वी गोइंग टू फाइंड द रूट इट, आपको मैंने बताया हुआ है कि जब ये इक्वेशंस होती हैं इसमें हमें क्या करना होता है, इफ़ यू आर यूजिंग अ मेथड विच वन कंप्लीटिंग द स्क्वायर मेथड, सो वी हैव टू मेक श्योर विद एक्स स्क्वायर टर्म देयर इज नो कोफिशिएंट, शुड बी देयर. सो अब क्या करेंगे, इसमें हम पहला स्टेप 2x square minus 7x plus 3 equal to 0. So we can divide each and every variable of this equation by 2 like this. Alright. So if you divide it by 2, so 2 and 2 cancel, it will be x square minus 7 by 2x plus 3 by 2. ये हमारा फर्स्ट स्टेप होता है. जो भी हमारे पास x के साथ जो टर्म दी हुई उसी नंबर से लाइक वी हैव टू डिवाइड बोथ साइड. ऑलराइट. अब उसके बाद हमारा अगला स्टेप क्या होता है, सेकेंड स्टेप इज व्हाट, like 7 by 2x is given, whatever the c value is there, that we have to shift to the other side. So if we shift, the sign will be changing. ये दो स्टेप हमें पता लग गए. अब सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट बात क्या होती है, जो भी हमारे पास x का टर्म है, the term with x, that is like here it is given to 7 by 2. So this we have to divide by 2. So we have divided by 2 and we have to take the square of it. So it is actually 7 by 4 square. So if we square it, it will be like 49 by 16. कितना आ गया हमारे पास 49 by 16. क्या करना होता है, जो भी हमारा एक्स का टर्म है जैसे 7 by 2 है उसको हमने डिवाइड किया 2 से, तो कितना हो जाएगा 7 by 4 हो जाएगा, और फिर हमें उसका स्क्वायर करना है, वो आ गया 49 by 16. इस जो टर्म हमारे पास आती है द टर्म वी गेट दैट वी हैव टू ऐड बोथ साइड, जो टर्म हमारे पास आती है उसको हमें दोनों तरफ क्या करना होता है, ऐड करना होता है. सो एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 7 by 2x, सो हेयर इट इज 49 by 16 और हेयर इट इज लाइक 3 by 2 प्लस 49 by 16. अब इफ यू नोटिस दिस इज द फॉर्मूला ऑफ a plus b whole square. So here is the minus sign, so it is a formula of actually 7 by 4 whole square. See, if you open it, a square plus b square, because if you take the square of 7 into 7 is 49 and 4 into 4 is 16 and 2ab will be this. And here now we have to take the LCM. Here the LCM is 16, so 8 times 16 will go, it will be 3 into 8 plus 49. So now we can simply solve it. It's like 7 by 4 whole square and it is like minus 24 plus 49 over 16. So it is x minus 7 by 4 whole square. Alright, this is 4 actually, and here it is 16, and like 9 minus 4 is how much, 5, and there is 25. Now if you take the square root of that term, it will be like x minus 7 by 4, and here will be the square root of 25 upon 16, and we already know when we take anything from the square root it will come in plus minus, and the square root of 25 is 5 and square root of 16 is 4. Alright, now you have to take like 7 by 4 plus 5 by 4 separately and x minus 7 by 4 minus 5 by 4 separately, because plus minus, so one time plus we can take, one time negative we can take. Now we have to solve. If we shift this value that side, it will be like 5 by 4 plus 7 by 4, and if you solve it, it is like 4 will be the LCM and 5 plus 7 will be there because 1 will come. So 7 plus 5 is how much actually, 10 and 12 upon 4. So it will go 3 times. So x value one root is 3, and for the other root same, we shift that value, it will be like plus, and 5 by 4 is there. So 4 will be the LCM and it is 7 minus 5. So 7 minus 5 is how much, 2 over 4. So if you get 1 by 2, so you get the two roots of the equation is 3 and 1 by 2. Now quickly note it down everyone, I hope you understand it. Okay, copied everyone. Now I'm going to rub this. Okay, now I'll do the fourth part here. Fourth part is given to you 2x square plus x plus 4 equal to 0. Now again here we have to solve by the method of completing the square, question number 4 part. So see, we are observing here like x square, with x square the term is coming 2. So we can divide each and every value by 2 first. So it will be like this. 2 and 2 will be cancelled out. Here it is x square plus 1 by 2x plus 2 times it will go, that is 2. This is the first step of solving this. Second step is what, like x square plus 1 by 2x, and we have to shift this c value that side, it will be minus 2. Now we have to notice what is the term coming with x. It is coming 1 by 2. We have to divide by 2 and take the square. So it will be like 1 by 4 whole square, and if we do the square of this it will be 1 upon 16. जो भी हमारे पास x टर्म होती है 1 by 2 है, उसको हमने 2 से डिवाइड करना है. सो इट विल बिकम 1 by 4, और जो 1 by 4 आएगा हमें उसका स्क्वायर करना है, दैट इज़ 1 by 16. और जो वैल्यू हमें मिलेगी वो हमें दोनों तरफ क्या करनी है, ऐड करनी है. वी हैव टू ऐड लाइक 1 by 16 हेयर and minus 2 1 by 16 here. I hope you don't have any problem. So if you notice here, this will become a formula for this a square b square plus 2ab. All right, and here we have to take the LCM. It will be like 16 into 2 is what, like 32, and plus 1. So here we notice x plus 1 upon 4 whole square, and here we notice like what is coming here, minus 31 upon 16. And if you take the square root of this, so 1 upon 4, and if you take the square root of negative term, actually if in the square root negative term is coming, that you will learn in the 11th class, that is called imaginary roots later on. So if this situation is there, so like we can't solve it out. So here we write equation has no real roots, no real roots, no real root. How we come to no real roots? If in the square root if negative sign is coming, so it means that equation has no real roots. And the concept of this minus we will learn in 11th class under the topic complex number. But up to 10th class, if under root in a square root negative term is coming, so we will write simple no real roots. Okay, quickly note it down everyone. All right everyone, done? Good. Now first and fourth part I have done by the completing square method. If you notice in your book, it is given find the roots of the quadratic equation of a given question, an equation by applying the quadratic formula. So like first and fourth I have done with completing the square method. So like second and third I can do with the quadratic formula to make you understand. So here third part, now we are going to do question number second with the help of a quadratic formula. All right, so how we do it? Like here the equation third is given to you 4x square plus 4 root 3x plus 3 equal to 0. Now see how we do. Firstly we compare with the general equation, x square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So here we got like a is equal to how much, 4, and b is equal to how much, 4 root 3, and c is how much, 3. ठीक है, आपने कंपेयर किया. सबसे पहले हम निकालते हैं d we call it discriminate. Formula is b square minus 4ac. So now d value is b is like 4 root 3 whole square is given to you. 4, a value is 4 and c value is how much, 3. We just put the value. So if you take the square of 4 square is 16, root 3 is 3, so it will be like 16 into 3 is 48, and here it will be 16, 4 is 16 into 3 is 48. So here the d value we got how much, 0. So that we understand, because d is 0, so we know real and equal roots, real and इक्वल रूट. सो ये तो हमें बात समझ आ गई, क्योंकि अगर डी की वैल्यू 0 आती है तो इक्वेशन में क्या होता है, रियल रूट्स होते हैं और इक्वल रूट्स होते हैं. आप हमें फाइंड करनी है. तो हमें मालूम है सिद्धाचार्य फॉर्मूला. हमारा सिद्धाचार्य फॉर्मूला क्या होता है, x इक्वल टू माइनस बी प्लस माइनस रूट डी अपॉन 2 है. दिस इज द फॉर्मूला वी हैव. ऑल राइट, सो x माइनस माइनस बी इज वॉट लाइक 4 रूट 3 प्लस माइनस, अब नाउ दिस वैल्यू तो गॉट डी वैल्यू वी गॉट 0 and 2 into a is 4. So here we get like x equal to 4 root 3 plus minus 0 upon 8. All right, so this we will write 2 times actually. We write like this, x equal to minus 4 root 3 upon 8, I mean like plus 0, and other will be like minus 4 root 3 minus 0 upon 8. So here we got the answer like 4 to the 8, it will be like minus root 3 by 2, and other will also come the same, 4 to the 8, it will be minus root 3 by 2. So because d we get 0, so it means equal roots are there. देखो see both the roots are same, root 3 by 2 with negative sign. Okay, so this is a quadratic formula. With the help of a quadratic formula we can solve this. All right, quickly note it down everyone. Okay, now I'm going to rub this. Now second part I can do. For the second part is given to 2x square plus x minus 4 equal to 0. Simply like we can compare with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So a value is how much? 2 is given to you, b is how much? 1, and c is given to how much? Minus 4. So you have to find d. So d formula is b square minus 4ac. D stands for discriminate. Alright, so d is equal to b value is like 1 square minus 4 ac. A is like 2 and c is what? Minus 4. So here you get 1, minus will be plus, 4 is 16, plus 2 is 32. So you get the d value is how much? 33. So you know d is greater than 0. It's in guarantee. The equation has real roots. Now we can apply the Siddhacharya formula. So Siddhacharya formula here I can apply. So formula is like x equal to minus b plus minus root d upon 2a. This is the formula. So x minus b value you got how much? 1 plus minus root d is how much? 33 upon 2 into a value is how much? 2. So you got like 1 plus minus root 33 upon 4. So our two factors will be like minus 1 plus root 33 upon 4, and other will be like minus 1 minus root 33 upon 4. So these are the factors. So this is by Siddhacharya formula. Quickly note it down everyone. Okay, now I'm going to rub this. So like in exercise 4.3, everyone we understand the first two question, but is this. Now other question is there. Here is the question number 3rd. So I think third question, second part I am going to do. First part is easy. You can try yourself. And now the third part I am doing for third question, second part. So it is given to 1 upon x plus 4 minus 1 upon x minus 7 equals to 11 upon 30, and here it is given to x is not equal to minus 4 and 7. See, you understand like this equation is given to you, and meaning of this is like x value will be minus 4, it not be never be there, because otherwise equation will be not defined. So now we have to solve it. See solution. So how we are going to solve it? We will take the LCM. So LCM will be like x plus 4 and x minus 7 will be the LCM here. So this will multiply here, so it will be like x minus 7, and here is the minus sign, and it will be x plus 4, and here we have 11 upon 30. Now simply we have to solve it. X minus 7, if you open the sign it will be minus plus is minus 4, and here we can multiply. X into x is how much? X square. X into 7 is how much? 7x, plus 4 into x is 4x, plus and minus, so 4 into 7 is how much? 28. Okay, this and this will be cancelled out. Now 7 plus 4 is how much? Minus 11. Alright, and now here you have x square. 7 minus 4 is how much? Minus 3x will be there, and minus 28 equal to 11 upon 30. If you see here, it will be cancelled. Here will be like minus 1 will be left. So now minus 30 will come this side. If I multiply and I shift this value that side, it will be x square minus 3x minus 28. Alright. Now I will arrange this term and shift that 30 that side. So it will be like x square minus 3x. If I 30 shift that side, so it will be like plus 30 and equal to 0. Alright, so you get x square minus 3x plus 2 equal to 0. So this is your equation. So we get this equation. So our equation is x square minus 3x plus 2 equal to 0. Now we have to solve it. So we can easily solve it by Siddhacharya formula. Like we can compare with x square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So a value is how much? 1, b value is how much? 3, and c value is how much? 2. So we can easily calculate D first, B square minus 4AC. So D value will be how much, like minus 3 whole square, minus 4A is 1 and C is how much, 2. So it will be like 9 and minus 4 into 2 is 8. So D value will be how much, 1. So it means that factor can be possible. Reason being because D is coming greater than 0. Now we have to use Siddhacharya formula. Siddhacharya formula is minus B plus minus root D upon 2A. Now just simply we have to put the value. Minus is already there and B value is minus 3. Plus minus root D value is how much, 1 and 2 into 1. A value we have put it. So it will be like 3 plus minus square root of 1 will be 1 out only. Because if we take the square root of 1, 1 will come out. Okay. So here we have like 3 plus 1 upon 2 and x equal to 3 minus 1 upon 2. So here it is like 4 upon 2 and here you get like 2 upon 2, that is 1. So you get x value is 2 and x value is 1. So your roots are 2 comma 1. I hope you understand it, everyone. Quickly copied it. Class 10, now we discuss word problem of exercise 4.3. It's very simple now. If you see here the question number 4th, here it is given to you the sum of reciprocal of Rahman age 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1 upon 3. Find its present age. It's a very simple question. हमें क्वेश्चन पढ़ के इंग्लिश को पढ़ के स्टेटमेंट बनाने और एक क्वाड्रेटिक बनेगी, देन हमारी चॉइस है. वी कैन सॉल्व बाय एनी ऑफ द मेथड. ओके, सो नाउ इफ यू सी हियर in this question we can say let the present age of Rahman, let the present age of Rahman. हमने बोल लिया let the present age of Rahman भी हमने बोला मान लिया x years है. अभी रहमान की उम्र कितनी है, x years है. सो अब अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन हमें करना है, अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन. अगर आप क्वेश्चन में देखें, क्वेश्चन में कह रहा है रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ रहमान की एज आज से 3 साल पहले. 3 साल पहले कितनी थी, x माइनस 3, और उसका रेसिप्रोकल लेना है. और रेसिप्रोकल लेना है हमें कब का, कि आज से 5 साल बाद कितनी होगी, दैट विल बी x प्लस 5. और इन दोनों का जो सम है क्वेश्चन में हमें दे रखा 1/3. कितना दे रखा है, 1/3. सो नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड द प्रेजेंट एज ऑफ दिस. एक्सक्यूज मी. नाउ वी हैव टू सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन. सो वी टेक अ एलसीएम. इट विल बी लाइक x माइनस 3 एंड x plus 5. So if you multiply this side, this it will be like x plus 5 and here it will be x minus 3, or here you have 1/3. So if you calculate it will be like 2x and 5 minus 3 is 2, and if you multiply this it will be x square plus 5x and minus 3x and minus 15 equal to 1/3. Alright, now cross multiply. If you shift this 3 that side, it will be like 3 into 2 is like 6x. 3 into 2 is 6 and here you have x square plus 5 minus 3 is how much, 2x minus 15. Any doubt? Now if you shift this value that side, so it will be x square plus 2x minus 15 minus 6x minus 6 equal to 0. And now it will be like x square, 6 minus 2 is how much, 4x, and 6 15 and 6 we can add with negative sign, it will be how much, 21. Okay, so this is the equation we got. Now it is like x square minus 4x minus 21 equal to 0. अब it's your wish, you got a quadratic equation, you can solve by any of the method, factorization method, completing the square method, or Siddhacharya formula you can apply. So I think we can do directly. It's very simple question because here factor is 1 and 2, 21 will be factor, and we need here how much, 4. So we already know 21 factor is generally is 7 into 3. Alright, and here is a negative sign, so we can express 7 minus 3x minus 21 equal to 0. So it will be like x square minus 7x plus 3x minus 21 equal to 0. From here we can take common x minus 7. From 3 we can take common x, 7 time it will cancel. So x minus 7 will come common, and x plus 3 equals to 0. So x minus 7 equal to 0. And x plus 3 equal to 0. So x equal to, we can take 7 and x equal to is minus 3. So negative we can neglect because age can never be negative. So Rahman age is 7 years. So the present age of Rahman is how much? 7 years. आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड इट. बिल्कुल सिंपल है क्वाड्रेटिक. आपको बस वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स को जो है एक शेप देना है क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन और फिर आपको कैलकुलेट करना है. फॉर्मूले आपके पास है ही. सो क्विकली नोट इट डाउन एवरीवन. I hope you have copied everyone. So now we can move to the next question. In the question number 5, this is again a word problem. Now we have to notice, see what is given in the question number 5. In a class test, the sum of Shefali marks in mathematics and English is 30. शेफाली एक लड़की है, उसका क्लास में टेस्ट हुआ है और उसके मार्क्स आए हैं मैथ्स और इंग्लिश में दोनों को जोड़ के वो आपको दिए हुए 30 एंड हैड शी गॉट 2 marks मोर इन मैथमेटिक्स एंड 3 marks लेस इन इंग्लिश. सो द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ दियर मार्क्स वुड हैव बीन 210. उसने कहा अगर उसके मार्क्स जो हैं मैथ्स में 2 ज़्यादा हों और इंग्लिश में 3 कम कर दिए जाएँ तो जो प्रोडक्ट ऑफ मार्क्स कितना है वो 210 दे रखा है. सो फाइंड द मार्क्स इन द 2 सब्जेक्ट. बिल्कुल सिंपल क्वेश्चन है भाई. आप सपोज कर लीजिए यहाँ पे इसके मैथ्स और इंग्लिश के दोनों के मार्क्स जोड़ के आपको कितने रखे 30. तो आप लेट कर लो. लेट द मार्क्स स्कोर इन मैथ्स. आपने कहा मान लिया जो उन्होंने मैथ्स में स्कोर किए वो कितने थे x मार्क्स. कितने x. सो ऑब्वियसली बात है कि जो इंग्लिश का स्कोर होगा इंग्लिश में कितना हो जाएगा मार्क्स इन इंग्लिश. ओके मार्क्स इंग्लिश कितने हो जाएंगे उनके वो हो जाएंगे हमारे पास कितना टोटल का 30 रखा दैट विल बी 30 माइनस x सिंपली. अब देखिए वो क्वेश्चन में क्या कह रहा है. जो हमारी लड़की थी शेफाली इसके जो मार्क्स मैथ्स में आए थे इसके जो उसके मार्क्स अगर मैथ्स में आए थे अगर उसमें हम 2 marks बढ़ा दें ऑल राइट वी कैन इंक्रीज 2 marks. एंड जो उसके इंग्लिश में आए थे इंग्लिश में कितने आए थे 30 माइनस x. इसमें अगर हम वो करें 3 marks कम कर दें लेस कर दें और इन दोनों का अगर हम प्रोडक्ट लें सो हमारे पास कितना प्रोडक्ट आ रहा है 2 1 0. गेटिंग. क्या कहा उसने कहा कि मैथ्स में अगर 2 marks बढ़ा दें और इंग्लिश में जो उसके मार्क्स हैं उसको अगर हम 3 कम कर दें और उनका हम प्रोडक्ट करें दैट विल बी 210. अब इट बिकम अ सिंपल क्वेश्चन वी हैव टू सॉल्व इट नाउ. सो इट विल बी लाइक x + 2 ऑल राइट एंड इट विल बी लाइक 27 minus x equal to 210. Now you have to multiply. It will be like 27x minus x square and 27 into 2 is what 54 and minus 2x equal to 210. Now here you have minus x square and from 27 if you subtract 2 so you will get like 25x and here you have 54 and shift this value this side so it will be minus 210. So here you have minus x square plus 25x and if you subtract this from 10 minus 4 what will be left like 6 all right and it will be 5 and it will be 156. Now we can take common minus so it will be like x square 25x and plus 156 because minus we have taken common. Getting. So minus will be go to 0 the equation will be x square 25x plus 156 equal to 0. So you can do by any of the method. All right, the method you know you can want to factorization or any method, but I think simple is factorization here. So we just multiply first and third. So it is 1 into this 156. So we can factorize like 156 first. So if you factorize 156, it will be like 2. How much time it will go? Like 2 7 is 14 and carry 1. 2 8 is 16. 2 3 is 6 and carry 1. 2 9 is 18. Then 3 13 ja and 13 one time it will be cancelled. So now we understand the plus sign. So we have to just express middle term in the addition form. So we already know here, see 2 into 2 is 4 into 12. 12 plus 13 is 25. So here I am expressing it everyone. So we can write like x square minus in bracket we can write like 13 plus 12x plus 156 equal to 0. Okay, I think I have written very small so I can write it again. So it will be like x square minus we can write like 13 plus 12x plus 156 equal to 0. How get an idea to write in the addition form? Because there is a plus sign here. So it will be like x square minus 13x minus 12x plus 156 equal to 0. So from here I will take common x minus 13. From here I will take common 2 x minus 13 equal to 0. So from here x minus 13 we can take common, and x minus 12 equal to 0. So x minus 13 equal to 0 here, and x minus 12 equal to 0. So x will equal to 13 and x equal to, here we have 12. Alright, so now we are looking for a marks. In the question what we have to find her marks in two subjects. So if you are taking maths, marks is 13. So obviously English marks will be how much? 30 minus x. It means 30 minus 13, and definitely it will be how much? If you subtract this, it will be how much? 10 minus 3 is 7, okay, and 17. And if you take maths marks will be like 12. So English marks will be like 30 minus 12, and it will be like how much? 10 minus 2 is 8, and 18. Alright, so this will be the score. Quickly note it down, everyone. Now we can move to the next question, question number 6. So now in the question number 6, now we have to write question number 6. So what is given in the question number 6? The diagonal of a rectangular field is 60 meter more than its shorter side, and if the longer side is 30 meter more than the shorter side, find the side of the field. Very simple question. Here you have a rectangular field is given to you. Make a rectangular field like this. A rectangular field A, B, C and D, and he is talking about some diagonal. So diagonal is there, and the diagonal of a rectangular field is 60 more than the shorter side. So we already know in rectangle actually corners are 90. So now we have to suppose the shorter side, and what is given, the diagonal of a rectangular field is 60 meter more than the shorter side, and if the longer side is 30 meter more than the shorter side. तो आपको लेट करना पड़ेगा shorter side, because shorter side क्यों हमें लेना पड़ेगा? दोनों चीज़ का कंपेयर वो shorter side से कर रहे हैं, तो हम ले लेते हैं let the shorter side, let the shorter side be x. हमने ले लिया, हमारी जो शॉर्टर साइड है मान लिया x मीटर है, तो आपने मान लिया शॉर्टर साइड आपकी ये ले लिया आपने x. अब वो क्वेश्चन में कह रहा है कि जो आपकी हाइपोटेन्यूज है, मतलब जो आपकी अगर हम लॉन्गेस्ट इसकी डायगोनल की बात करें वो क्या 60 मोर देन द शॉर्टर साइड, तो दैट विल बी x plus 60. ऑल राइट, एंड इट इज गिवन इफ द लॉन्गर साइड इज 30 मोर देन द शॉर्टर साइड, इट विल बी लाइक x plus 30 according to the question. अब like if we say in right triangle A B C, अब क्वेश्चन में गिवन है कि भाई जो डायगोनल है दैट इज विल बी x plus 60. 60 ज़्यादा है शॉर्टर साइड से, और जो लॉन्गर साइड है वो आपकी कितनी ज़्यादा है 30. अब नाउ वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट द वैल्यू. सो वी नो द पाइथागोरस थ्योरम इन राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल. तो व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला? इज लाइक हाइपोटेन्यूज स्क्वायर इक्वल टू लाइक बेस स्क्वायर प्लस परपेंडिकुलर स्क्वायर. सो AC वैल्यू वी गॉट लाइक x plus 60 whole square. AB is what, like x square, and this will be like x plus 30 whole square. Alright, now we can calculate here. A square plus B square means like 3600 plus 2AB means 62 into 12, 0, 60 to 12 is 120x, and here we have x square plus x square. If we take the square of 30, it will be like 3 into 3 is 9. Alright, it will be 900, and plus 3 into 2 60x. So if you notice here, x square and x square will be cancelled out like this. Now I am shifting this value that side. So it is like x square plus 900 is already there, plus 60x is already there. Now we have to shift. So 120 will be like negative, and minus 3600 equal to 0. Alright, now we can form it will be x square plus 120 minus 60 will be minus 60x, and from this 36 if we subtract this, so it will be 2700. Alright, 2700 equal to 0. Now we can solve it by any of the method, that is factorization method we can use. Now we have to factor like 2700 into 1, so we have to factor this. So it will be like 2700 we have to factor. It will be like 2 1 times, 2 3 is 6, carry 1, 2 5 is 10, and 0. This will be 1350. Now we take the factor of this. 2 6 is 12, carry 1, 2 7 is 14 and 2 5 is 10, and it will be now we can cut by 3, 3 2 is 6, 3 2 is 6, carry 1, 3 5 is 15. Alright, then 3 7 is 21, carry 1, 3 5 is 15, then it will be 3 25 and 5 and 5. Now we have to find it out. What will be the factor? So we know we express in negative term, so we have to take the factor. What will the possible factors are there? So we can go in that way, like we can multiply, like 2 into 2 is 4, or we can go say like 5 into 3 is 15, and 15 into 2 is 30. Alright, and like 3 into 3 is 9, 9 5 is 45, 45 2 is 90. So factor will be, for this is 90 minus 30x. Alright, so we can solve it like x square minus 90x plus 30x minus 27, 100 equal to 0. So we can take common x, so it will be like x minus 90 plus 30 I will take common, it will be like x minus 90 equal to 0. So your value will be like x minus 90 and x plus 30 equal to 0. Now we can compare one by one, so it will be like x minus 90 equal to 0 and x plus 30 equal to 0. So x equal to will be 90 and x equal to will be minus 30. So we are talking about length, so we can neglect it this side, because negative we can neglect. So now in the question what we have to find, actually we have to find the sides of the field. So now we understand AB value. AB we got how much? 90. If we talk about BC, BC is x plus 30, that means 90 plus 30, it will be how much? 120. And we can find the diagonal also, that is called AC, and that will be x plus 60, that means 90 plus 60, and it will be, I think, 150. All are in meters. I hope you understand everyone. Now question number 7 of exercise 4.3. So in question number 7, exercise 4.3, so it is given in the question the difference of a square of two number is 180 and the square of the smaller number is 8 times larger number. Find the two numbers. So square of the two numbers, firstly we can consider let the two number be. Let the two numbers be x and y. दो नंबर हमने लेट कर लिया x एंड y. अब क्योंकि दो नंबर है तो मैं यहाँ पे एक साइड में लिख देता हूँ कि इसमें x वाला आपका y से बड़ा है, मतलब x नंबर जो है y से आपका बड़ा है. अब क्वेश्चन में पढ़ते हैं. क्वेश्चन में हमें दे रखा है क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 में द डिफरेंस ऑफ द स्क्वायर ऑफ टू नंबर इज 180. अकॉर्डिंग टू द क्वेश्चन क्या है? द डिफरेंस, डिफरेंस मीन इसका स्क्वायर माइनस सेकंड का स्क्वायर, जो इन दोनों का डिफरेंस हमें दे रखा है क्वेश्चन में, दैट इज गिवन टू 180. सो दिस यू कैन टेक एज द इक्वेशन फर्स्ट. ऑलराइट, अब हमें दे रखा था स्क्वायर ऑफ द स्मॉलर नंबर. स्क्वायर ऑफ द स्मॉलर नंबर, अब मैंने कहा x बड़ा है तो y छोटा है, तो स्क्वायर ऑफ द स्मॉलर नंबर मीन्स y स्क्वायर. द स्क्वायर ऑफ द स्मॉलर नंबर इज 8 times the larger number, is 8 times the larger number. This is our second relation is given to us. See, हमें दे रखा था the difference of square of two number is 180 and the square of the smaller number is 8 times the larger number. Find the two number. अब simply हमें करना है, because we are doing a quadratic, so what can we do? We can put equation second, या put equation second in first. मतलब जो हमारे पास y स्क्वायर का वैल्यू हम इक्वेशन फर्स्ट में पुट कर देते हैं. सो हमारे पास फर्स्ट इक्वेशन एक्स स्क्वायर था माइनस वाई स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 180 है. ओके, अब ये एक्स स्क्वायर एज इट इज रहेगा और वाई स्क्वायर का वैल्यू हमारे पास कितना है 8x और इक्वल टू कितना है 180. तो हमें साफ साफ दिख रहा है क्वाड्रेटिक मिल गई है. तो हम क्या करते हैं, इसको इधर शिफ्ट कर लेते हैं. 8x माइनस 180 इक्वल टू 0. अब आपको क्या करना है, इसके फैक्टर करने हैं. तो फैक्टर आपको मालूम है, सिंपली मैं डायरेक्ट कर रहा हूँ तो कर सकते हैं 180. तो ये एक्चुअली जाएगा कितना 10 इंटू, और आप इसको ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं, कहाँ गया आपका, इसको हम लिख सकते हैं 18, बिकॉज नेगेटिव साइन वी कैन राइट हेयर, वेट आई राइट, वी कैन राइट लाइक दिस 18 minus 10x 180 is equal to 0, because this minus sign is helping us to understand why we have to put this in the middle term, we have to break in the subtraction form. ठीक है, इस माइनस साइन से हमें पता लग जाता है. तो आपको मालूम है कि 18 10 जाओ कितना होता है 180 होता है. और आपको मालूम है 18 में 10 जाएगा कितना बचेगा 8। अब ना उसको सिंपली सॉल्व कर लीजिए, एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 18x माइनस विल मल्टीप्लाई दैट विल बिकम 10x माइनस 180 इक्वल टू 0। सो x विल टेक कॉमन x minus 18, from here we can take common 10 and it will be 18 equal to 0. So now from here if we take common it will come like x minus 18 or it is x plus 10 equal to 0. So now x minus 18 equal to 0 and x plus 10 equal to 0. So we get x equal to 18 and x equal to minus 10. It is given, now it is given we have to find the 2 नंबर। तो आपको पता लगे लाइक नेगेटिव को नेगलेक्ट कर लेते हैं और इसने बोला आपको एक नंबर कितना हो गया 18। सो आपका अदर नंबर कितना था, पुट इन पुट वाई स्क्वायर इक्वल टू कितना था हमारे पास 18 इंटू 8x, तो 8 इंटू 18 आ जाएगा। सो इसको निकाल लीजिए आप, कितना आ गया 8 8 64 कैरी 6 8 8 8 1 8 और कितना 144। सो y का वैल्यू कितना आ गया आपके पास 12 प्लस माइनस का आ गया। सो एक वैल्यू आपके पास कितनी हो गई है 18 और दूसरी वैल्यू कितनी हो गई आपके पास 12। सो आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड, दिस इज योर राइट आंसर। कम ऑन क्विकली कॉपीड एवरीवन। द क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 of exercise 4.3. So now in the question number 8, see in the question number 8 it is given to you a train travels 360 km at a uniform speed, and if the speed has been 5 km more, it would have take 1 hour less for the same journey. Find the speed of the train. So देखिए क्वेश्चन में आपको दे रखा है कि एक ट्रेन ट्रैवल कर रही है, कितना ट्रैवल कर रही है एक्चुअली, मान लिया आपने ए से लेके बी पॉइंट हमने ट्रैवल कर रही है, हमारी ट्रेन कर रही है 360 किलोमीटर्स, दैट इज द डिस्टेंस एक्चुअली ट्रेवल बाय ट्रेन। सो इसका स्पीड हमें पता नहीं है, वो यूनिफॉर्म स्पीड हमें निकालना है, तो लेट कर लेते हैं, लेट द यूनिफॉर्म स्पीड ऑफ ट्रेन बी x किलोमीटर पर आवर, हमने इसको लेट कर लिया। ओके, सो हमारी ये ट्रेन जो है x किलोमीटर पर आवर से चल रही है। सब एक बार सोचें, अगर x किलोमीटर पर आवर से चल रही है तो हमें टाइम निकालना है। सो टाइम का फॉर्मूला हमारे पास क्या होता है, हमारे पास टाइम का फॉर्मूला होता है डिस्टेंस अपॉन स्पीड। तो जो हमारी नेचुरल जो ट्रेन जा रही थी 360 किलोमीटर x की रफ्तार से, तो हमारे यहाँ पे टाइम का वैल्यू कितना आ गया, डिस्टेंस थी 360 और x किलोमीटर पर आवर से रहती, तो हमारा कितना टाइम आ रहा है x आवर्स, 360 अपॉन x आवर्स आ रहा है। ओके, अब क्वेश्चन में क्या कह रहा है, इफ़ द स्पीड हैज़ बीन 5 किलोमीटर मोर, अब उसने कहा 5 स्पीड आप किलोमीटर मोर कर लेते हैं। सो व्हेन स्पीड इज 5 किलोमीटर पर आवर मोर, ठीक है। अब आपने क्या करा, स्पीड को बढ़ा दिया, तो अब जो आपकी टाइम की वैल्यू आ रही है, तो भाई 360, अब आपने टाइम मतलब स्पीड को और बढ़ा दिया, कितना, इतना बढ़ा दिया, तो आपकी ये आवर आई। तो अब ऑब्वियसली बात है, जब आप स्पीड बढ़ाएंगे तो आपका टाइम कम लगेगा। तो ही सेइंग इट वुड टेक 1 आवर लेस देन फॉर द सेम जर्नी। अब देखिए एक आपको ये वाला टाइम दे रखा, जब स्पीड बढ़ाई तो टाइम कम लगेगा, तो इन दोनों टाइम का जो डिफरेंस है वो हमें कितना दे रखा है, 1 आवर दे रखा है। तो 1 आवर दे रखा है, तो इसका मतलब क्या हो गया कि आपको क्वेश्चन में क्या है 360 अपॉन x, ये जो हमारी ओरिजिनल था, और जब हमने स्पीड बढ़ाई तो हमारा टाइम कितना था x + 5, और इन दोनों टाइम का जो डिफरेंस दे रखा है हमें कितना दे रखा है 1 आवर। अब हमें इसको सिंपली सॉल्व करना है। अगर आप देखें इधर से मैं 360 कॉमन ले लेता हूँ, तो मेरे पास क्या बचेगा 1/x माइनस x + 5 इक्वल्स टू 1। ओके, इक्वल टू 1। सो नाउ अब यहाँ पे वी कैन टेक एलसीएम, x + 5 विल बी द एलसीएम, और here will come like x + 5 minus x equals to 1. I'm taking this question there. Okay, it is 360 now. Ab here x and x will be cancel out. So here we have 360 into 5, 360 into 5, and this term will go that side. So it will be how much? X square plus 5x. All right. Now we have to simply solve. I am shifting this value that side. So it will be x square plus 5x minus equal to 0. We have to multiply 5 into 0. 5 into 6 is what, 30, carry 3, 5 3 is 15 and it is 18. Alright, now we have to find the factor of it. So we can easily factorize it. 1800 you have to factorize it. So it will be like 2, 9 times it will go, and it is like 2 4 is 8, carry 1, 2 5 is 10, 0. Then again 2 2 is 4, and 2 2 is 4, 2 5 is 10. Then 3 7 times it will go 21, 3 5 is 15, and then 3 25 times, and 5 into 5. Now see, अब we have to find the factor for it. अब now you already know, because here is a minus sign, so definitely we have to express this factor in terms of a minus. So you will notice here, see, 5 into 3 is 15, and 15 into 3 is 45, and 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, and 8 5 is 40. So we are able to see here 45 minus 40 x, we will make a factor. Reason being, because 45 minus 40 will be 5, and how I come to know, मुझे कैसे पता लगा कि मिडिल टर्म ब्रेक करना है डिफरेंस की फॉर्म में, because this negative sign indicates that. So now our equation is, now it is x square plus 45x minus 40x minus 8800 equal to 0. Now from here you can take common x plus 45 minus, अब here from here you can take common 40, so it will be x, and it will go 45 times. Alright, now from here like x plus 45 will come common, and here will be x minus 40 equal to 0. So x plus 45 equal to 0, and x minus 40 equal to 0. So x equal to 40 we will take, because here it will coming minus 45, and speed can never be negative, so our speed is 40 kilometer per hour. So in this question they are looking for the speed of the train, so the speed of the train is 40 kilometer per hour. Quickly note it down everyone. Okay, I hope all of you have copied it. So now we can go to question number 9 of chapter quadratic equation, exercise 4.3. we are doing it. Now if we go to question number 9, it is already given to you two water taps together can fill a tank in 9 and the mixed fraction is given to 3/8 hours, and the tap of larger diameter takes 10 hours less than the smaller one to fill the tank separately. Find the time in which each tap can separately fill the tank. बिल्कुल सिंपल सा क्वेश्चन है, आपको दो टैप दे रखे हैं, एक टैप का जो साइज़ बड़ा है और एक टैप का साइज़ छोटा है, और उन्होंने बोला कि अगर बड़ा जो टैप है वो छोटे टैप से जो है 10 आवर्स कम लेता है. तो बहुत ही सिंपल है क्वेश्चन करना. हम ले लेते हैं यहाँ पे we can let the bigger tap takes x hours to fill the tank. I have written the let the bigger tap take x hour to fill the tank. तो अब स्मॉलर की बात करते हैं. तो भाई जो स्मॉलर है एक्चुअली वो कितना ले रहा है, इससे 10 आवर्स ज़्यादा लेगा. कितना ज़्यादा लेगा? 10 आवर्स. इट इज़ गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन कि वो कितना लेगा, 10 आवर्स ज़्यादा लेगा. अब अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन है, अब अगर हम देखते हैं कि एक आवर में बड़ा जो सेपरेट है, द बिगर जो हमारा जो टैब है वो एक आवर में कितना बढ़ता है, तो वो एक्चुअली कितना होता है 1/x. और ऐसे अगर हम स्मॉलर की बात करें वो कितना बढ़ता है 1/x + 10. ऑल राइट. और जो हमें टोटल टाइम दे रखा था वो दे रखा था एक्चुअली 9, 3:8. इसको सॉल्व कर लीजिए आप. ये दे रखा 9 8 72 and 3 75, तो इट इज 75/8. तो इधर टोटल टाइम था, अगर इसका 1 आवर निकालेंगे तो इसको रेसिप्रोकल कर दिए, कितना हो जाएगा 8/75. सो ये हमारे पास क्या होगी, एक इक्वेशन तैयार हो गई, हमें सॉल्व करना है, एंड वी हैव टू फॉर्म फॉर अ सॉल्व क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन. तो इट विल बी लाइक x + 10 विल बी द एलसीएम. अब आप इसको इधर मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, सो यू विल गेट दिस, एंड हियर यू हैव 8/75. नाउ सिंपली x and x will be 2x. All right, and here will be if you multiply it will be like x square plus 10x, getting, and it is 8/75. अब now cross multiply 70, can multiply this side. 75 into 2 will be 150x plus 750, and multiply this, it will be like 8x square plus 80x. अब now just form of equation. So if you see here, so 8x square is there only. Alright, if I shift 150 that side, so from this we can subtract 180, so it will come off negative sign, so 80 will be subtracted, then it will be 70x, and here it will be minus 750x. All right, now we'll take common. So we can take common from here 2. So it will be like 2, 4 times it will go. 235 times it will go. And here 2 into 3, 6, carry 1. 2 7 is 14 and 2 5 is 10 equal to 0. All right, now, so this 2 will go to 0. So we have a required quadratic equation is 4x square minus 35x minus 375 equal to 0. See, we have any method, so we can apply here Siddhacharya formula. So for Siddhacharya formula is like ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So a value is how much? 4. B value is how much? Minus 35. And c value is how much? Minus 375. So we calculate first d. D value is b square minus 4ac. So here we'll take the square of d is like minus 35 square minus 4ac. A is how much? 4 and c is also minus 375. So now d value will be like, if you take the square is 5 into 5 is 25 and it will become like 1225 if you take the square of this. And this will be plus minus minus plus, and 16 into 375 we have to multiply with 16. So multiply 6 into 5 is how much? 30. Carry 3. 6 7 is 42 and 3 is 45. Carry 4. 6 3 is 18. 18 and 4 is 22. And it will be like 5 7 3. So 0. 5 plus 5 is 10. Carry 1. 10. Carry 1 here. 3 5 6. It will be 6000. Okay. So now if you add, so it will be like 7225. Getting? Now we can apply the formula. So here we know the Siddhacharya formula is minus b plus minus root d whole upon 2a. Now x minus b we have how much? Minus 35, and plus minus root d we get like 7225, and whole upon 2a is 2 into 4. So now you will notice it will be 35 plus minus. If you want to find the square root of this, it is the square root of 85. How much? 85 upon 8. Now 35 plus 85 upon 8, when we take this, and 35 minus 85 upon 8. So we can add this. It will be like 90, and 90 plus 30 is 120. 120 upon 8. Alright, and 120 upon 8 is like 4 to the 8, and 460 times it will go, and it will be how much? 4 to the 8. Wait, 4 to the 8 and 4 3 the 12, and it will go even 15 times. How much times? 15 times. Negative we can neglect. So now we understand. So 15 hours. So the bigger tab will take 15 hours. So smaller tab will take 10 hours more actually. So it will take how much? 25 hours. So this is a bigger tab time. I hope you understand. Here I am writing bigger tab. Bigger tab, and smaller will take 10 hours low. So 15 plus 10, it will be 25 hours. Alright, 25 hours. I hope you understand the question, everyone. Okay, now quickly copy it down. Now all of you copied it down, done. Now we can go to the question number 10th. Now we can do the question number 10th. Alright. So now in the question number 10th, if you see, here it is given to you the express train take 1 hour less than the passenger train to travel 132 km between Mysore and Bangalore. Alright, and it is given if the average speed of the express train is 11 km per hour more than the passenger train. So find the average speed of the two trains. Firstly, we have to understand it is given there the distance actually. One distance that is given to you from where to where. It is like for Mysore I am writing M, and for Bangalore I am writing B, and it is given to you, it is how much? 132 kilometer distance is there. Firstly, we have to understand this. And it is given to you if the average speed of an express train is 11 km more than the passenger train. So we can let the speed of the passenger train be x. Let the speed of the passenger train. Let the speed of the passenger train be x kilometer per hour. Alright, so it is given in the question. So express train speed is given to you how much? It is given the average speed of express train is 11 km more. So it will be x plus 11 km more. Now we already know, and it is given to you the express take 1 hour less. So we already know if you want to find time. So time formula is always distance upon speed. Time formula is distance upon speed. So if we talk about our what we call passenger train, PT I am writing for passenger train time. So passenger train will take how much? Distance is 132 and speed is x, so this much hours only. And now I am writing for express train time. So express train time will become 132 is the distance and speed is x plus 11 hour. Alright, now in the question obviously the speed of express train is more, so it will take less time. So our equation will be how much? 132x minus 132 upon x plus 11 equal to 1 hour is given to you. So now we have to solve it. It will be like 1 upon x minus 1 upon x plus 11 equal to 1. So here it is 132 and here the LCM will come like x plus 11. So x plus 11 minus x equal to 1. So this and this will be cancelled out, and here we have 132 into 11 equal to this will be x square plus 11x. So now what will the equation is? What is the equation is x square plus 11x, and this will go that side equal to, so we have to multiply it like 132 into 132. It will be like 1452. It will be like 1452. So I am writing this equation this side. Alright, so we have to do the factor. So I hope you can do the factor. I am doing it directly, but you can do it factorize. It is very easy. So it is like x square plus 11. We need a factor. So generally if we do the factor will come like 44 minus 33. It will be like this, x and minus 1452 equal to 0. Try to understand. From here we get the hint कि middle term we have to return the breaking term. If you do the factor you will get the same factor only, and I hope you understand it now. So x square plus 44x minus 33x minus 1452 equal to 0, and from here if you take common x plus 44 will be there, and if you take common 33, so it will be x plus 44 equal to 0. So x plus 44 will come common and x minus 33 equal to 0. So x plus 44 equal to 0, and here we have x minus 33 equal to 0. So it will come negative. So this we have to neglect because speed can never be in negative. It is x square is equal to x equal to 33. So our what we call speed of passenger train speed will be how much? 33 kilometer per hour, and our express train we have to add 11 in this, so it will be 44 kilometer per hour. Quickly copy it down everyone. I hope you have copied everyone. Now we can move to the 11th question. Now 11th question is the last question for exercise 4.3. So just see the 11th question. What is given in the 11th question is, it is given the sum of the areas of two squares is 468 meters square, and if the difference of their perimeter is 24 meter, find the sides of the two squares. अब देखिए यहाँ पे टू स्क्वायर दे रखा है, तो हम ड्रॉ कर लेते हैं. मान लिया एक हम पे स्क्वायर आपका ये है और एक स्क्वायर हमने ड्रॉ कर लिया ये है. सो मान लिया मैंने एक स्क्वायर की साइड कितनी है एक्स और एक्स है, और दूसरे की कितनी मान लिया हमने कितनी वाई है. अब ऑब्वियसली बात है बिकॉज डिफरेंस रखा तो वी हैव टू लेट कि एक छोटा स्क्वायर होना चाहिए और एक बड़ा स्क्वायर होना चाहिए. ऑलराइट, तो हमने दो स्क्वायर लेट कर लिए. लेट द टू स्क्वायर ऑफ दिस साइड्स. सो लेट the two squares, find the side of the two squares. Let the two squares of side x and y respectively. ऑलराइट, लेकिन हमने यहाँ पे ले तो लिया है दो अलग अलग, हमने लेट कर लिया कि हमारे पास ये वाला बिगर है और ये वाला स्मॉलर है. देन वी कैन टेक द डिफरेंस. नाउ इट इज गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन. What is given, the sum of the areas of two square is 468. You already know the area of square formula is side ka square. That means x into x will be x square and y into will be y square. And it is given in the question, sum of the areas of the square is 468. So this is first equation is given to you. And now it is given if the difference of their perimeter is 24. डिफरेंस ऑफ देयर पैरीमीटर, तो बड़ा स्क्वायर है तो उसका पैरीमीटर ज़्यादा होगा, तो डिफरेंस ऑफ देयर पैरीमीटर, पैरीमीटर फॉर्मूला इज 4 इंटू साइड. स्क्वायर का पैरीमीटर कहता है 4 इंटू साइड, तो इट इज़ गिवन टू यू 4x माइनस 4y. द डिफरेंस ऑफ देयर पैरीमीटर, पैरीमीटर मीन बाउंड्री सम, बाउंड्री का जो सम जो देखा इनका डिफरेंस के अंदर आपको 24. हाउ मच इज गिवन टू यू 24. सो दिस यू हैव टू सॉल्व. सो थोड़ा सा सेकंड क्वेश्चन और इम्प्रूव कर लेते हैं. ये हमें क्वेश्चन में गिवन है, तो हम y4 अगर हम कॉमन ले लेते हैं तो 4 विल कम कॉमन है. So it will like x minus y equal to 24, and if we can divide, so 4 how much time it will go, 6 times, so it will go 6. So from here what we are doing it, x equal to y, I am shifting that side, it will be 6 plus y we can say, and this equation we say this equation we can say second. We can remove this equation we can second. Now we already know, now we can put this value in equation first. Put value of x in equation first. अब आप फर्स्ट में पुट कर दिए. फर्स्ट इक्वेशन क्या आती है आपकी x. सो x की वैल्यू कितनी आ गई आपकी फर्स्ट वैल्यू इक्वेशन क्या थी, एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 468. ऑलराइट, अब आप इसकी वैल्यू आप इधर पुट कर लेते हैं हम यहाँ पे. सो देखो जो हमारे पे x की वैल्यू थी वो कितनी 6 प्लस वाई, तो यहाँ पे हमारे पास कितना आ जाएगा 6 प्लस वाई का होल स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर और माइनस 468. ऑलराइट, दिस वी गॉट. नाउ वी हैव टू सॉल्व इट. a प्लस बी होल स्क्वायर फॉर्मूला 6 स्क्वायर इज हाउ मच 36 प्लस वाई स्क्वायर प्लस 6 इंटू 12y. ऑलराइट, प्लस वाई स्क्वायर इक्वल टू माइनस 468 इक्वल टू 0. नाउ वी हैव टू सॉल्व y स्क्वायर विल बिकम हाउ मच 2y स्क्वायर प्लस 12y माइनस, and 33 you have to subtract 8 minus 6. How much will be left? 2 and 3, and it will be 432 equal to 0. Now we can take common 2, so it will be like 2 will come on common, so 2 6 time it will go. 2 2 is 4, 2 1 and 2 6 is 12. So our quadratic equation will be y square plus 6y minus 216 equal to 0. I hope you understand how we get this equation. Okay. Now we have to factorize this. So here factorization is 216, so we can do the factor of 216. So it is like 2 1 is 2, 0, 2 8 is 16, 2 5 is 10, 2 4 is 8, and it will be like 2 2 is 4, 2 7 is 14, then 3 9 is 27, 3 and 3 1. So we can factorize it. Now we can see 3 into 2 is 6, 6 into 3 is 18, and 2 to the 4 and 12. So we got 18 and 12. So now we can express this in that way. What I said, because minus sign is there, so we can express like 18 minus 12y. 200, 16 equal to 0, because from 18 if we subtract 12 we get 6, and how I come to the middle term breaking should be in the subtraction term from this sign only. I have already explained to you earlier. So now y square, it will be like plus 18y minus 12y minus 200, 16 equal to 0. Now you can take common y plus 18, okay, y plus 18, here you can take common 12, it will be y plus 18 equal to 0. Now y plus 18 will come common, and it is y minus 12 equal to 0. So y equal to minus 18, that will neglect, and y equal to 12 we get. So we understand like the area of the two square. So y is 12 for the smaller one, this we have taken on the smaller side, a smaller side of a square, and from the relation now if you put in equation second, so it is given to x is equal to 6 plus y, so it will be like 6 plus 12, and it will be 18. So we understand the larger square side will be 18 and smaller will be 12. So this is your right answer. So your exercise is over. Exercise 4.3 is over now. Thank you. I hope you understood everything.